Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll see two important tips. One is to have multiple fields on color shelf, and second one is how to color your region in different colors. Okay, so to do that, let us create for the first scenario that you're seeing here on the tab one, we have tip one, and this is tip two. So I'm going to sheet three to create that. And as a start point, I'm creating a simple trip map using category and sales. Going to my show me here and creating a simple tree map here. Okay, fine. We know till here. Now what I'm doing is I am changing my category from label to color shelf here by clicking on this T here. Okay, so now now our tree map is colored with respect to category here. Okay, fine. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking this subcategory and dropping it here. Now you see, in each of this category we got subcategory items as well, but my intention is to color this also. Okay, like I want a similar color palette with respect to category only. So what I can do is I can click on this detail mark which is there next to subcategory, click on that and change it to color shelf here. Now you see inside one category. So if I talk with respect to hierarchy, we have three colors basically here for category, and inside that based on subcategory it is trying to color. Now when I add my subcategory to label and sales to my label as well, it gives me a more meaning, and view is also much better compared to a simple tree map. Okay, now coming to second scenario here, what I'm doing is I'm taking order date as usual, and I'm taking region here, and I'm taking sales here and dropping it on label. Now my requirement is I want to color each of this center in one color, each of this east in one color, east of this south region in one color, like that. So what I can do is simply I can hold my region button, okay, and drop it on color shelf and release your control button. Now you see each of the region I got in different ways or different colors. So that's it from my side in this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.